I want to show you the 4 top exchanges that you can use in Nigeria to trade P2P or to sell your cryptocurrency and get your money directly to your bank account. I know that a lot of us trade crypto using Bybit, even using other decentralized exchanges like Phantom, Uniswap, and other exchanges like GMG and Moonshot. Now, but if you want to withdraw that money after making profit, you cannot withdraw directly from those exchanges to your bank account. You need to sell it in P2P, or except you transfer the coin to someone and then the person sends you your money via bank account. But if you don't have someone to transfer the money to, then it becomes an issue. And a lot of us have been finding it difficult looking for a good exchange to sell for P2P. So I'm going to show you 4 of the good exchanges that you can use for P2P trading, and you send the money directly to your bank account. Now, the number 1 on my list right here is Bybit. So this is Bybit. Now, if you look at Bybit, you will notice that here you have P2P right here. You can see P2P right here. So your own might not be showing in that place. Your own might be showing inside here, the place that you have more. So if I click on more right there and scroll down to where I have trade, let me see where is trade. Okay, this is trade right here. So this is trade right here. You can see trade right there. So let's see if there is P2P right here. Okay, so there is no P2P in this place. So let's look for where the P2P is. Okay, so the P2P is under buy crypto. So if you look at under buy crypto, you can see P2P, you can see buy crypto, you can see deposit and fiat. So we are talking about P2P. So you click on P2P on Bybit, and then you go there to do your transactions. Now, if you look at that of Bybit, you can see right here that you have NGN right there. So you can change it. If you're not in Nigeria, if you're in any other African country, you can look for your own right here. So let's see, for those of our members in Ghana, let's see if we have Ghana cedis. You can see this is Ghana cedis. Okay, yeah, so this is Ghana cedis, GHC. That is for Ghana cedis. So depending on the country you are, you can just choose your own. So let me go back to NGN and keep it in NGN. So you can use Bybit to trade P2P. All you just need to do when you come to Bybit like this, you make sure you fill in your details, put your phone number, put your correct name, put your account details and the bank, put all those details so that when you receive the money can go straight to your bank account. I'm going to show you in another video how to set up your P2P platform so that you can receive your money directly into your bank account. So, but for this video, I want to just show you the 4 platforms you can use. So, number 1 is Bybit. I've shown you already. Then the second one on my list is gate.io. So this is gate.io. So you can also use gate.io for trading P2P right here in Nigeria. So let's look at it. When you come to gate.io like this, you see this section right here, this section. You are going to see this section. But for you to see this section, you should be on home. You should be on home before you can see this section. This is home right there. I've already done a video on everything about Gate, so make sure to watch that video. Then I'm going to do an updated video because a lot of these exchanges, they update their platform on monthly, weekly basis, so some of the things change, right? So you must make sure you're on home so that you see that section. Then you scroll all the way to this side and you'll see more right there. So you click on the more. So when you click on more, you're going to scroll down to where you're going to see P2P. So let's just look for P2P. You can see P2P is under popular right here. You can see it right there. So we are going to open the P2P like this. Now, if you look at the P2P section as well, you can see right here, you can see NGN. So you can see right here, you can buy. This is buy and this is sell. So you can buy and you can go to sell and sell. The same thing also for that of Bybit. So Gate is another place you can use to trade your P2P, and also you must make sure you set up your account details, your phone number, your real name on the profile section. I'm going to do that in another video on how to set up your P2P profile. So having said that, let's look at the third one, which is Mexi. So this is Mexican exchange. So this exchange also offers P2P trading platform for those in Nigeria and some of the African countries. So if you look at this place, same thing. You see this section. Let me show you the section here. You can see the P2P. You see this section right here. Yeah, this section right here. You just need to scroll to your left. So you scroll it like this to your left, and you're going to see the more right here. So this is where you're going to see the more. You can see it right there. Let me just remove that and use this one. So this is more right there. So you click on the more as well. So when you click on more, you wait for it to load, and you're going to see your P2P. So most used right here, you can see P2P is most used right here. So if your own is not there, you can scroll down and you're going to definitely see it where it will be listed, right? So I will just click on the P2P to open it up now. Once it opens up, you're also going to see that it has Nigerian currency enabled. All right, same thing as well. You can see right here, this is the P2P, and this is the buy, and this is the sell. Now if you notice my own gate, you can see it says get verified right here, right? So that means before you can start using P2P in any of the apps, you must make sure your account is fully verified. You must also make sure that you have two-factor authenticator enabled before you can do P2P trading. Now if you look at this place, you can see these are all the people that are selling. You can see this is NGN right here. So this is the third one. Now the last one on my list is one which I really love so much as well. It's what Wix platform. So this is Wix. For those of you who may be wondering which one is better for you to use, for me, I will recommend you use Wix. Now, the reason I love Wix is because their fee, their exchange rate is okay. It's better than other ones, and also, right now, Bybit charges some kind of fees for those who are selling to you, and that is why if you go to sell crypto to somebody on Bybit, you will see them telling you that they will deduct 500 naira, some are deducting even up as high as 1,000, and they may even deduct more depending on the volume you are selling. But for now, on Wix, there is nothing like that on Wix. So if you look at Wix, you can see right here, you can see P2P is right here, directly right here on Wix. You can see it right there. And again, another thing I love about Wix, you can see it right there. Another thing I love about Wix is that the interface is easy and smooth. It's smooth and it's easy to use. So I'm going to drop the link to Wix in the description of this video. So just use that link to register on Wix if you've not registered before. Use that link to register so that you also support the work I'm doing, right? So let me just go to the Wix P2P and see the NGN also being enabled on their platform. All right, so you can see right here, you can see this is weak. So you can see here the the exchange rate is around 1,420. So let's look at the sell. Let's look at the sell. You can see this. Of course, these ones are not. You can actually set to these ones. You can see. So here is 1,396, 1,400 and something. You can see. So the buy rate here is higher. The buy rate here is higher. Let's see again. The buy rate here is higher. Of course, you can set your own. You can see the sell rate also may even be higher on this one. But this is not for me to discuss all of that. I'm going to discuss how to do P2P arbitrage in another video. That's another very good way to be making money from P2P. But I'm just here to show you all the platforms that you can use to trade P2P. So these are the four platforms I use to trade P2P here in Nigeria, right? So if you find any of these platforms interesting, just go ahead, use my link to register. The link is in my description The link is in the description of this video and also in my bio. So just use the link of any of them to register and get started. I believe you found this video very helpful and valuable. If you did, just drop a comment in the comment section telling me what aspect of this video you enjoyed. And if you have any question as well, use the comment section to drop your questions and I'll be glad to answer your questions for you. Alright, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.